The wrestle move for getting dressed. Say hi. One. I don't know if you can wear this. It's getting a bit tight like It's getting a bit tight like Dad's shorts.
Pardon? Bit cruel for the morning time, don't you think? Woohoo! Can you drop the camera then? Are you excited to go see Nana? Huh?
I think it's too tight though.
Are you excited?
Can I finish doing this button? That was too thick. Annabelle. Where's Daddy gone? Where's Daddy had to go? Where did Daddy go? What was he doing instead of having his breakfast? He was being silly, wasn't he? Huh? He was being silly. Daddy should have been having his breakfast. Huh? What should Daddy have been doing? Having his breakfast. But what was Daddy doing? He was flying his indoor helicopter outside. And where did it go? Where did it go? It went next door. Little Converse girl today. Oh.
Hey, hey.
Doggy. You hear the doggy? You hear the doggy? Woof, 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 woof. Oh. Don't laugh, it's not funny. Did you get it back?
It's like being a kid all over again. I lost my toy in your garden. Can I have it back? Yes. That's the moral of that one. Don't fly indoor helicopters outdoors. You'll lose them.
Oh, just do what you should be doing.
Having breakfast.
Yeah.
This is Paddy. This is my mum's dog. Very lovely dog, and he likes what every dog likes. Tennis balls. Ready, Pads? Get it. enjoying time out at Nana's house. The best part of it? There's the TV. I didn't say nothing.
You're gonna go to sleep. Yeah. We're free.
Concentration.
We're free.
Freedom.
Alright, you left me to watch a TV programme about prostitution.
General maintenance on a car is crucial, especially when there's a family being transported.
Not to leave me to watch prostitution with your brother and your mum.
No, it's an average everyday thing. It happens in life.
I'd rather it not happen. Exactly, Annabelle.
Prostitution happens. I love the rain, cha 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 cha. I love the rain, cha 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 cha. Give me a shower, cha 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 cha. Water the world, cha 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 cha.
Look at the glorious sunshine.
I tell you what, Siri, you are half and half. You're wrong about the morning, but extremely right about the afternoon. Besides the temperature, it's still 17 degrees, not 11. And she's gone.
Finally.
Wow. This really is a lot of water. I suppose we haven't had a bad rainy day here in a while, have we?
Say this is set for like the next 2 or 3 days.
Stop.
It's a washout.
It's going to be like this for the next 2 or 3 days?
Yeah, I think so.
Including Tuesday and Wednesday.
It might stop on Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday is my day off. And it's going to be raining again. Fantastic. Can't wait.
Might change.
Well, if it starts raining on Tuesday, I will get in a bathing suit and I will sit outside in it for 10 minutes.
It's on camera now. Well, we did have a sleeping child. Why aren't you asleep? Really? Hmm? Why aren't you asleep? It's our fault. We forgot to get the cat some cat food. And it's Sunday and everywhere's shut. Hey. Oh, oh, oh.
I know it's like raining and everything, but I bought the cat food and she said it was a spend limit of £5 and it only came to like just under 3, so I kind of had to buy ice creams. So, right, yeah. There's your card back.
Thanks.
A pink raspberry, one for you.
Thank you.
And an espresso one for me. I didn't even know Magnum did an espresso ice cream.
I think they're limited edition.
Yeah, they are, but I had no idea that they did an espresso ice cream.
Oh. You better get your fix.
Do you know what the silly thing was? I was going to buy like one of those poultry cat foods, which cost £5.10. and she tells me that there's one on offer,
Alright.
which was £2.50, so I would have actually been correct. So she put me off and made me buy ice creams instead and buy the cat cheaper food of the same quality. So it is technically the lady's fault.
Oh. Are you watching us eat ice cream? Yeah, I'm sorry. It's the lady's fault.
This is one of the longest routes that we took to make Annabelle go to sleep. And somehow, on the event of trying to get her to go to sleep, we stopped to get cat biscuits at a completely different petrol station. Spended more than we wanted to, and also got ice creams when it's raining outside.
But it's summer.
Not that there's anything wrong with getting ice creams when it's raining, but it's just a bit weird.
Why are you watching? It's like, oh, she went sulking as well. Oh.
Damn it.
Is Daddy eating something without you?
I swear to God, it's actually worse than like, it's worse than having a dog and having that sitting in front of you staring at you whilst you're eating something. Like, you know. Come on, show me some love. Come on, skim past here and I'll feed you now. Right this minute. Oh, well. He's going to try you.
Yes.
Mum, I don't want to wait. Please feed me.
Oh, big bear. What's the matter? Are you waiting to go and have a bath? Bath? Yeah. Jack, go on. Follow the tail. Oh, oh, oh.
Fine. I'll give it to you if I have to. If you come and feed me. Come on then.
Doing that with a hot stove, because that's no job for a princess like you, is it, Dad? New Richmond Perfect Bake.
My friends recommended an unbeatable treatment for headaches.
He's going for the sauce. For the sauce. Oh, no, he goes in.
Alright guys, we are going to end today's vlog. Madam's asleep, cats have been fed, so give us a thumbs up if you like it and remember to subscribe, and we'll see you all soon. Bye!